Hello everyone. Today we're delving into the process of selling Temu products on Shopify. Let's get started. First, open your Shopify admin page and navigate to Apps. Click on All Recommended Apps and then Shopify Store. Search for Jesus AliExpress dropshipping and install it to your Shopify store. Once the installation is complete, open the new tab and sign in into the temu.com. From the Temu homepage, select New Arrivals. And search for the product you want to sell. Let's choose a luxury watch to sell on my Shopify store. Once you have found the product, right-click and choose AliExpress search by image. This will show you the same products from different suppliers outside of Temu. Temu doesn't support dropshipping, so choose the best match you found on Temu. Next, go back to the Shopify admin page and open the Deezers application to import our products. Click on Settings and select Apps and Sales Channel. Then open the Deezers AliExpress dropshipping application. Once it's open, return to the previous tab and click on the button Add to Deezers. The product will be successfully added to the Deezers importer list. Click on the import list link to see your products. Here is where you can adjust the price of the product. You can add your profit margin and set the selling price. Let's move to the adjustment section and edit the product detail as we like. Then head to the variant section and adjust the product price based on the type, and also modify the description section. Finally, work on the shipping information, specifically ships from and ships to. Once you have finished editing the details, save the changes and click on Push to Shopify. The product is successfully pushed to Shopify. Now let's head to our Shopify page and check out the new product. Here is our new products imported from Temu and ready to sell on our Shopify store. Thank you for watching.